Starting a family is one of life's biggest decisions. Then, before you know it, you're faced with another important choice every parent must make. Where will you send your child to school? You could simply pick the closest school to home, but is convenience the best criteria to use when your child's future is at stake? What about your old school? That sounds romantic. But the world has changed since your grade school days. We never know what lies ahead. How do you prepare someone for a career that doesn't yet exist? We must train our young people in the fundamental fields of knowledge and equip them to understand and cope with change. So what is the right school for your child? Your decision depends on your expectations. If you expect your child to reach his or her full potential and enjoy a well-lived, virtuous life, consider a classical Christian school. Unlike today's educational institutions, our curriculum isn't built around standardized test performance. These short-term yields create long-term consequences. Classical Christian schools take a long view and prepare your child to succeed at life. With the proper guidance and support, your child will be encouraged to ask questions, apply logic, and develop core knowledge. In other words, they'll develop a love of learning, become lifelong learners, and simultaneously outperform the nation's top students. Today's educators have separated subjects from one another and treat them as unrelated, disconnected parts. By mastering the tools of learning, classical Christian students learn all subjects as one interconnected whole. A classical Christian education will put your child on the pathway to flourishing, sowing the seeds of truth, goodness, and beauty. The path to create a meaningful difference in the world, regardless of the challenges, technological advancements, or opportunities that lie ahead. So what's the best school for your child? Again, that depends on your expectations.